In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on Common App. First, sign in to your Common App account. You will be greeted by the familiar interface of the Common App dashboard. Look for the login fields where you will enter your username and password. This step is essential because accessing your account is the starting point for any modifications. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your account's main page. You may feel a sense of relief knowing you are one step closer to updating your email. Next, click or tap your profile or account menu. This option is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. On mobile devices, it may appear as a small icon. When you select this menu, it opens up additional options related to your account settings. This part of the process is crucial as it leads you to the settings where you can make necessary changes. You will see your profile picture and other account details, reinforcing that you are in the right place. From there, open Account Settings or Contact Information. This section is where all your personal details are stored. You will find various settings related to your account, including your email, phone number, and other contact information. It is important to navigate here because this is where you can make updates that keep your account secure and up to date. Once you click on this option, you will be able to see your current email address and other information. Now select Email Address. Look for the specific option that mentions your email. This is the address that colleges will use to communicate with you. By selecting this, you are indicating that you want to make changes to your email contact. This step is significant because it ensures that all future communications from colleges will reach you at the correct address. You may notice that your current email is displayed prominently, reminding you of the importance of keeping it current. After that, enter your new email address. This is where you will replace your old email with the new one. Make sure to double-check your entry for any typos. An incorrect email could lead to miscommunications from colleges. This is a critical step as it directly impacts how colleges reach out to you during the admissions process. Once you have entered your new email, take a moment to verify it visually before moving on. With that ready, save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will ensure that the new email is updated in your account settings. This step makes sure your changes are securely stored. You may see a confirmation message appear, giving you peace of mind that your email has been successfully updated. This little action saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that all future correspondence is sent to the right place. If prompted, verify your new email address using the verification email sent by Common App. Check your inbox for an email from Common App. This step is crucial because it confirms that you have access to the new email address. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the verification process. Once this is done, you can be confident that your new email is fully functional for communications. Note that if you've already submitted applications, changing your email in Common App may not update the email address that colleges already received. You may need to contact each college's admissions office directly to update your contact information. This is important to remember as it ensures that you stay informed about your applications. Keeping this in mind will help you manage your communications effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you easily change your email on Common App.